Hi there, students. Titbit and tidbit. So a titbit is a small piece of tasty food. It could be news or gossip or other things as well. It's most common for food, gossip and news, but it's not a problem using it for other things. So he gave the dog a few titbits from his plate. I told my friend a few titbits from my trip abroad. I've a titbit of news for you. So you're probably wondering when to use titbit and when to use tidbit. Well, apparently the Americans prefer to use tidbit with a D, whereas us Brits, we use titbit. Okay, so tidbit American, titbit UK. Yeah, so a titbit of food. In Spain, when you go to a bar and have a drink, it's common for them to give you a tapa, a tasty morsel of food, a titbit of food to eat with your drink. Okay. Normally as well, a titbit is something that's choice, it's good quality, it's one of the good pieces. Okay, let me tell you a titbit of gossip about my neighbour. But notice, using titbits in other senses, I've almost finished this job, but I've still got one or two titbits to finish up. Okay, one or two little things, small, unimportant things. What about the origin of this word titbit? Well, apparently tid, with a D, used to mean tender. So a tender bit, a choice bit, a yummy piece, yeah? And that's the idea. So, what about formality of titbit? This is an informal word. I think it's slang. I'd probably give it a 4 out of 10 informality. So, use it in an informal conversation, but don't use titbit in something more formal than that. Yeah, a choice piece of food, a tasty morsel, an interesting piece of news. Yeah, something like that. So, a titbit, a small, interesting, tasty, choice piece of food or gossip, or something small and unimportant that's left. Let me just finish up one or two titbits that I have to do before I go out, okay? So, an easy word to use. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel. If you want to give me a titbit of news, then add it in the comments section. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Titbit and tidbit.